There's an inevitable suicide. A final conclusion to a life on Earth, completely different when I was young in Arizona and dumb with my Hispanic Mexican homies and friends. Serving burritos and tacos in Seattle on Capitol Hill they call multicultural, diverse and ethnic, and less racist. To hungry visitors at Macayo's, where margaritas and booze were sold by my two hands when I was 17. And though I never did what I said I should have done, and shot the bully dead when the bully first arrived, there's now a mental health pandemic coronavirus system in 2021 proudly and excitedly defeating a cancer recovering survivor who spent 10 years learning about neuroscience and not some trick, some tactic and skill to fuck some woman in her bed or lie down with her to keep her calm now. These noises, these drug addicts and these social worker counselors and landlords insist are so destructive, are not a plea for help, are not a cry, and they are not a sobbing noise. These recordings are what I accomplished when I set my mind aside and I stopped pretending I was Allah, God, the great and the powerful Krishna Buddha, and accepted a humble, shortened, and less violent life of non-duality now. The eventual suicide causes hospitalization, medication, therapy visits, but almost as inevitably as a suicide, there's no explanation for a mysterious, disappearing, professional, graduate of the University of Washington Huskies. So they said, in an appointment they kept a long, long time ago now. In moments preparing for death and dying, in proper not tying for a rope, a noose, and a sturdy, strong, resilient tree, and eventual memory of all those men and those women and those abusers and those harassers and those assaulters and those violent practitioners of duality now.